What is the first surah in the Quran? Al-Fatiha. How many surah are in the Quran? 114. Which surah is called the heart of the Quran? Yasin. In which language was the Quran revealed? Arabic. Which surah does not begin with Bismillah? Al-Tawbah. Which angel brought the Quran to the Prophet Muhammad? Jibreel. What is the longest surah in the Quran? Al-Baqarah. What is the shortest surah in the Quran? Al-Kawthar. Which prophet is mentioned most in the Quran? Musa alayhi salam. Which surah is recommended to be read on Fridays? Al-Kahf. What is the meaning of the word Quran? The recitation. How many Makki surahs are there in the Quran? 86. How many Madni surahs are there in the Quran? 28. Which surah is known as the beauty of the Quran? Surah Yasin. Which surah is known as Bride of the Quran? Surah Ar-Rahman. Which surah is recited for protection from the grave punishment? Surah Al-Mulk. How many times is the name Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned in the Quran? 4. Which surah was revealed twice, once in Makkah and once in Medina? Surah Al-Zalzalah. Which surah has the most names of Allah mentioned? Surah Al-Hashr. Which is the only woman mentioned by name in the Quran? Maryam.
Thank you for watching this video.